This method boils down to 5 very simple steps. First, we work to a spot where the pattern tells us to make a wrap and turn the work. Then we bring the yarn to the front of the work and slip one stitch from the left needle to the right needle. We do it purlwise, that means we insert the tip of the right needle into that stitch from right to left, like this. And then we insert the tip of the left needle from the bottom up under the strand that is sitting underneath the slipped stitch, this one. So we go this way from the bottom up, picking up the strand. And then we purl the strand. And to do that, of course, we need to insert the right needle into the stitch and then wrap it with the yarn, which is conveniently already at the front of the work, and slip the original stitch off the needle. We've just created a double stitch. So this is a stitch with a shadow wrap. And then we bring the yarn to the back of the work and slip this double stitch from the right needle to the left needle. And again, we do it purlwise without twisting the stitch. Turn your work and bring the yarn to the back of the work to get ready to knit the stitches, because we're working in garter stitch that is made of knit stitches. And that's it. Then we repeat these 5 steps every time the pattern tells us to make a wrap and turn the work. So we work to the spot where we should do the wrap and turn, and then we bring the yarn to the front of the work, slip one stitch from the left needle to the right needle, then go under that strand at the bottom of the slipped stitch, then purl it, bring the yarn to the back and slip the double stitch from the right needle to the left needle. Turn your work and bring the yarn to the back to get ready for knitting. When you look at your work, you will see the double stitches. They are clearly visible over here, and you see that even though they are made of 2 strands, those strands are sticking together, so we're going to treat them as one stitch. So when the shaping is done in the next row around, you simply treat that double stitch as one stitch. So in my case, I'm going to just knit these 2 strands together. And that's pretty much it. So when you look at the shaping that you created, you will see that the garter ridges formed by the shadow wrap short rows flow seamlessly into the main garter stitch pattern. There are no holes, no added bulk, and no twisted stitches. And this shaping looks great on both sides of the work. So it is exactly the same. This is the right side and this is the wrong side. As you see, it is exactly the same. For more details about this technique, go to tenroseday.com/shadow-wraps-garter. Happy knitting, my friend. I'll talk to you in the next tutorial.